this is Johnny with the Talk Las Vegas. Are you kidding me? Look where we are today. We're down here at the home office. And look what we got here in the mail, huh? Look at this. Check this out. This is called the unboxing. The unboxing of this episode. And, you know, I ordered this device here on the 6th of May. I ordered this May 6th. And today is May 21st. So, here it is. Oh, did I mention that I ordered this May 6th, 2016, and it's finally here. Check this out. This is what I waited for 3 years. Oh wait, that's just bubble wrap. Okay, that is not what I was waiting for. All right, so this is the unboxing. We got, this is for the Nuclius. Check that out, the Nuclius. And this is the this is the remote for the Nuclius. And this, my friend, it's stuck in the box. And I'm going to have to wait another 3 years for the Nuclius. Wing! Get rid of that. And here we are, the Nuclius. Okay, this is what I waited 3 years for. And you open this box, and what's inside? Pudding. No, it's not pudding. It is the Nuclius. Yeah, look at that, huh? As George Bush would call it. And you pull this bad boy out of here. Oh, I broke it already. Oh, and this is it. This is the Nuclius. And you plug this bad boy into any HD, a TV, HD TV, in the HDMI port. Put this bad boy right there and you plug him in, and you get all sorts of stuff. Now, there's also some other stuff that you get with this stuff. You get a book. It's a book that you can read. It's a book. And in the book is the pages of the book. And you'll read that later. Now, you get this cord. Huh? Check that out. You get this cord. That has a little mini on it. And I'm sure you're going to be plugging into there. And then you got another cord. And it's got one of those deals on it. And you can be plugging that right into there. And then you've got, it's called the dongle, you know. It's a dongle. You put this in and it'll dongle all over the place, you know. And then you've got the antenna. The antenna. You pull this out. This is a 6-foot antenna. Wait. No, I'm sorry. It's like a 3-inch antenna. And that goes under there because it's the Wi-Fi. See, you got these holes on the side there that you can plug that stuff into. And then you got the antenna. And you've got a mini. You've got a mini right here, you know. So there, you got that. Oh, and then you got another cord. And I don't know where that's going to go. And then you've got this. Oh, this is probably going to go on there. And then you got one of these. You've got one of these. Wing! Get rid of that. And then you've got one of these to go on there. And then, of course, you've got one of these here. Now, this is a remote. And it's right in a bag there, you know, protected for your sanitation. And you take this guy out of there. And you've even got some batteries that are going to go in there. So you got the buttons and all that kind of stuff. You got the this and that. So that comes with it, but it's a special bonus. But wait, there's more. Before you order, you've got this guy right here. And this will probably take the entire place of that other device, because this is the QWERTY keyboard. It's upside down, so it's Scarlet keyboard. But oh, now it's the QWERTY, and it's rattling around. I don't know why it's rattling, but something's making it rattle inside. And you're probably supposed to put some batteries in it somehow. So anyway, we're gonna figure all that out. And I'll put all this mess together, and I'll plug it in, and we will show you what I waited patiently for 3 years. And that is, put this guy right in there, put this guy right in here, goes in the closet. So there you go. You got the Nuclius, the Ursa Nuclius. So check it out. So if it already isn't on the screen, which I kind of highly doubt, make sure you head over to the website and order up one of these bad boys. They're like $1.50 for the device, and $20 a month for your I don't know, a bunch of services and stuff like that, and it goes up from 20 to 50, I don't know, whatever. But it's a multi-level distribution, if you will. So go on there to moretv4les.com and sign up and enjoy all the stuff that you will see later on in a different video and find out why this is rattling. So this is Johnny with the talk of Las Vegas.